really excited to share a bit how am I helping in my English learning journey. Since joining MIE, I have seen a huge development in my English. For example, vocabulary, grammar, and confidence. The classes are really amazing. The teachers are so supportive. They are always encourage us and help us to build our confidence. They don't just teach us the rules, they teach us different types of strategy. They teach us how to make build our skill. That's it. And the environment was absolutely amazing and it's really motivating. Everyone's are so focused and they are so supportive. And honestly speaking, that's why I choose MI, and I definitely recommend to MI to others who develop their in English language or develop their skills in English. That's it. And thanks to MI, I'm not just learning English, I'm just living it, and I'm really grateful to MI.